Soundcheck is the definitive audio test disc. It contains practical material compiled as a result of careful research and investigation into the needs of studio engineers, audio technicians, serious audiophiles, record producers and musicians. The disc has been designed not only to help assess the technical performance of a wide range of sound recording and reproduction equipment, but also to offer the very best available musical, vocal and effect sources for experimentation and demonstration. This section contains closely mic'd recordings without electronic processing such as limiting or compression. Also, they contain subtle transients which define true high fidelity, and which are often lost in the reverberation and processing of commercial records. These tracks are therefore invaluable for assessing the transient response and fidelity of audio equipment and for experimentation with effects units.